Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and permissions. This is where the connection is authorized. In Azure Portal, register a new application. Capture the application, client, ID, and tenant ID because you'll need them in Power BI. Once done, create a client secret or upload a certificate and note its expiration so the integration won't break. Make sure your account has global admin or application admin rights because permissions prevent later failures. This step sets the identity that Power BI will use to talk to Azure AD. Next, you configure API access so Power BI can read directory data. In the app's API permissions, add Microsoft graph scopes like user, read, and directory. Read all, choose application permissions for service-to-service scenarios. After adding permissions, click Grant Admin Consent for your tenant so the app can act without per-user approval. Also verify the redirect URI matches what Power BI expects if using OAuth flows. These details determine which directory objects and reports you can access, so be precise before moving to Power BI itself. Finally, establish the connection inside Power BI. In Power BI service, choose the appropriate connection type, OAuth 2 for delegated access or service principal for app-only access, and enter the tenant ID, and client secret. Once connected, test with a simple user list query to confirm permissions. If something fails, check that admin consent was granted, the secret hasn't expired, tenant policies allow the app, and graph permissions include what you need. One troubleshooting tip: reissue the secret and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.